Big up everybody who check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now some people ask, oh, the church so quiet. The church like not quiet no more. We Reverend Mark, I speak out, and him I say, him not dislike no particular party. Him said this is just the information we him get. Now we also hear from the opposition, members of the opposition saying all is not good in all of the constituencies that are saying that they are in support of the opposition. Let me hear what I want. Look and listen.
I'm hearing the people are going to rise up and the bro God is going to have to stand before the people. I'm seeing people stoning, walking away, rejecting the man they lift up in, the man you elevate in Jamaica as your God. I am seeing the people of the country turning away. I'm seeing the people, when he rise to speak, they're not going to listen. They're going to turn against you. The Bible said he sat on the throne to deliver a public address to the people. The people, they shouted, this is the voice of a God, not a man. God, come on. Jamaican people, your leader speak with the voice of a God, untouchable, dictating, controlling. But the people, even in his own circle, they're going to rise up against this God that they have elevated in the nation. Watch me. Jamaica, not very soon. The people, you will see. They're not going to tolerate. Something is going to happen. He's going to rise to the nation. And it's going to bring chaos. It's going to bring mayhem. And the people are going to turn and declare, this is the voice of a God, not a man. Immediately, because Herod did not give praise to God, an angel of the Lord struck him down, and he was eaten by worms and died. But the word of God continued to spread and flourish in the land. Watch this. God is going to show up in Jamaica, and your era of your God that you have will be over. Disaster, destruction is inevitable. I am not speaking because I hate nobody, because a lot of people keep asking me, why do I hate? I don't hate nobody. I am telling you, it's not a matter of not liking, and I'm not on any side. Because if you notice, I have sought questioning audience with the opposition and the leader, but it seems like people like us is not interested, and that's his problem too. It's going to run up and down with the same little mentality and the campaign mentality and the little people them with Guzla running them down, and the serious people of the land that he needs to come down and sit with and meet with and take advice from. I don't see him doing. And then on the other hand, I'm seeing some people that he needs to get rid of, because Jamaica will never become a LBGT country. Never. We will not become a country packed with sodomy. It will not work. So we need to know what the opposition stands and what they are going to be dealing with in their cabinet, in their circle, because we cannot, as a nation, continue to allow these funny people to run our government. We are a country that is led by God. We are a country that is under God. We are a biblical
church. That am silent no more. No, the church openly speak out against the government. We don't know if the government because it is politically motivated. The Reverend Marcus say, yo, I'm not dislike nobody. Him just say what him say. Now we also hear from the opposition. And them say all is not well with their constituencies. Now we are here top people in the opposition and speak out about some constituencies that are aligned to the opposition, saying that if them want to go, them can go. Go where? Does that mean that he believes that some members or some people in certain opposition constituencies are planning to support the government? We are saying the polls, the government has been more favorable. We don't know. Let me come hear from the opposition and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Your elevation to the Prime Minister of this country, we're going to take action. Time come now. It has to stop. I don't care who you are. I don't care about your history. I am appealing for unity. And I'm saying no, that current leader, all is not well in some of our constituencies. And as your regional chair, I'm going to forward them to you. If they can't fall in line, then they give you a chance and leave. And I have no apologies for that. I've been saying, comrades, I've been saying that. I hear your gen say, but it eat out my belly. I hear you. So, comrades, I am not going to lose. I have never lost anything in my life. I have 6 now, and I need 4 more. The 4 will be Comrade Joan Gordon Webley, Comrade Peter King.
Now tell me what you think. Obviously, even within the statement, he was saying he has never lost anything in his life, so he don't feel like he's going to lose. But him do, I'm acknowledge say, certain constituencies, we don't know if them fed up with just who is representing their constituency or the party overall. Because of the same thing I will see with the governing party right now, where you have people who still want to support the party, but they're not happy with who are represent them area. They want to support the Prime Minister and the party, but they're not happy with who are represent them area. There are some people happy with who are represent them area, but they're not happy with the party overall. So I don't know if the same thing now is happening in the opposition. But they must say whoever want to go on can go on, because they believe that they have enough. We also hear from Mr. Campbell saying that he believes they have a whole heap of people who support the government now, that when the general election is ready, they are going to vote for the opposition, making them the new government. I don't know. I don't know where him get this information. I don't know who him talk to, but this is what him say. Tell me if you agree. Tell me what you think. Pastor speak out about the government. The opposition speak out about constituencies that are in support of the opposition itself. You know what going on, but the general election seem like they're going to be unexpected. Whoever go win, both parties feel like they're going to win. And based on where people are say, both parties look like them still might win. We are whole people are say them in support of the opposition, and we'll still hear more people are say them in support of the government. We see polls now favoring the government. Recently polls were favoring the opposition. So we don't know. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Now of course if you're new to the channel as I pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment and subscribe. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. As I say, talk to me in the comment section. Now a quick recap. Reverend Marcus speak out seemingly about the government. Opposition members saying that whoever or whichever constituency where used to be supporters of the opposition, if them want to support someone else, them can support someone else, but them still believe the opposition is going to win. Talk to me in the comment section. And to the reason again, live, love and prosper, and stay tuned.